Welcome sa aming channel. This is R.
And this is M.
Welcome to our DIY YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo na mapagkakakitaan habang ginagamit mo ang oras mo sa pagsi-cellphone at internet, andito ang aming channel para kayo ay turuan na siguradong kikita kayo ng pera.
And guys, every video, nagpapag-giveaway kami ng cash sa GCash.
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? I-subscribe mo na at hit notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video na ina-upload namin. So guys, pipili muna tayo ng 2 winners of 20 pesos sa video natin dito. So, kung binilang mo yung RMDIY na logo, so 18 po yung lumabas. So, ang tamang comment ay 18 #r.m.diy. So, start na natin kung sino yung una. So, Mobile Legends. So, let's pick another winner. So, ang huli ay si Stars Khalid ni Pau Pau. So, notify niyo po ako dito sa comment section para mabigay ko yung GCash prize nyo. So, isang mobile application na naman kung saan tayo pwedeng kumita ng only 100 pesos, 100% free. Para po makapag-sign up kayo, open nyo lang sa browser yung download link na ipipaste ko sa description ng video. So, itong app na ito guys, Easy Jog, watch ads, try products, earn cash rewards. So, ito siya guys, and you can download it to App Store and Google Play. Pwede nyo ring i-search yung Facebook ni Jog. So, ayan guys. So, yung mga rewards dito ay pwedeng i-redeem as cash voucher and marireceive din natin yung mga voucher sa ating email. So, paano nga ba kikita dito sa Jog? So, ito guys, may mga activities like ito, earn 5 to 50 points by watching. So, open natin to guys. So, tapusin lang natin to guys. So, like this video. So, ito guys, nakalagay, the post you shared needs to be clicked by anyone within 48 hours in order for you to earn the points for this activity. So, kailangan mo nang may maklik nun guys, yung pinost natin. Then ito, earn up to 10 to 100 points both for your paid labor. So, click natin yan. So, nakalagay dito, successfully shared to 5 friends. So, equal to 10 Jog points yun. Then, 5 friends, click on the link, extra 90 Jog points.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, how did I make you mine?
So, ito po yung mga rewards na pwedeng ma-redeem sa jobs. So, merong GCash na 250 pesos na kailangan mo lang ng 3,000 na Jog points. Then, 500 pesos cash. na kailangan ng 5,750 na JAG points, then 1,000 cash na kailangan ng 10,500 na JAG points. Then meron ding 500 pesos cash transfer to your bank account. So ayan, may Grab din na cash e-voucher worth 100 na isi-send sa email. Then ito, Lazada voucher, Steam, Pure Gold, Greenwich, Coffee Bean Cash voucher, McDonald's voucher, so may Mang Inasal cash voucher din, and Robinson Department Store cash voucher worth 500 pesos, and Super 8 cash voucher. Then, inote ko lang din na kailangan dito sa pag-redeem ay yung TIN. So, requirement siya guys. So, pwede naman yung TIN ng kamag-anak mo, nanay, tatay, or kapatid, basta makapag-provide ka lang. Pero ang pinaka-sure na talagang kikita ka ng 100 pesos is through referral guys. So, ayan, ipakita mo lang yung link mo, i-copy mo lang siya. Then, pwede mo siyang i-share sa Messenger, Viber, Line, WeChat, or WhatsApp.
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think